number 14, Jurel Singh. At number 1, Rica Diolan. Number 3, Elijah Daphne Santiago. Number 9, Aiko Sweet Urdas. At number 17, Myla Pablo. And guest player with jersey number 16, Aliona Denise Santiago Manabat. Libero, number 5, Fatima General. And head coach, Mr. Roger Gorayev. Calling on our Lady Patriots of De La Salle University, Dasmariñas. Team captain is number 1, Yumi Yonko. At number 3, Maribeth Lara. Number 4, guest player, Siemens Desiree Dadang. Number 6, Baseline Joyce Delphin. Number 11, Cherry Rose Nunag. And guest player with jersey number 12, Giselle C. Libero, number 13, Celia Cindy Amutan. Head coach, Mr. Raymond Ramirez. This is match number 1 of the quarterfinals. Good luck to both teams.
So, we failed to talk about dun sa ating pregame, itong libero situation, itong De La Salle Dasmariñas. We get underway dito po sa ating first set. Nung matchup nila against the College of St. Benil, it was actually Bartolaso who played a majority of the minutes. Alam naman natin, si Cindy Amutan naman talaga starter nila. So, which libero ang gagamitin dito ni Coach Raymond Ramirez? He's starting with Amutan today.
Well, they're starting with Amutan, but we've seen the same situation happen before. Pero yun nga, as the game progresses, mas nabababad yung kanilang second libero.
Well, lalagyan namin po ng emphasis yan kasi alam naman natin itong kuponan na La Salle Dasmariñas must play excellent floor defense against itong kuponan na National University. And that will all start with their libero. So, Cindy Amutan now takes to the floor. Unang service para naman dito sa kuponan ng De La Salle University Dasmariñas or the Lady Patriots. So, serving right now, Yumi Yonko kaagad. We are underway dito po sa ating unang quarterfinal matchup as Jaja Santiago gets the first point for the National University.
So it will also be interesting to note that Desiree Dadang will be playing against her former team, diba? So siguro siya, kabisado na niya yung movements ng NU.
Mamaya pag lumipat si Dintin Santiago Manabat sa harapan,
sila magkakatapat, exactly.
Right. So a good serve coming here from Rica Diolan, the freshman setter. And again, big responsibility for this young lady serving now.
Oh yes, and yung sabi natin, we've always know that NU is a very strong team ang tatangkad ng players. But there has always been yung sa setting minsan, diba? Right. Parang yun ang sinasabi nila na missing link para dito sa Lady Bulldogs.
Maribeth Lara came away with 17 points in the win kontra sa College of St. Benil. Napalakas yung kanyang unang tira, so 3-0 para sa NU. Isa pala, naghahabol na itong kuponan ng Lady Patriots. Another good serve coming from Rica Diolan. Giselle C. running attack para dito kay Cherry Rose Nunag. Myla Pablo, inangat. Aiko Urdas off the block. Kept alive there by Yonko. Binalik ulit ni Delphin. Yonko gives up the free ball. General Diolan. Jaja!
And when you're going up against Jaja, yung timing mo sa block, kailangan hindi pareho sa ibang mga attackers. Taller, very tall attacker, at talagang iibabaw yan sa'yo.
Kanina nga, hindi pa niya nagustuhan yung set na yun, pababa na niya pinalo yun. But still, sa haba ni Jaja, 4-0 na tuloy yung kalamangan dito ng Lady Bulldogs. Amutan with the reception. Here is Baseline Delphin. Jolan on the back set. Myla Pablo. Keep Myla Pablo happy. That's what they're doing right now. Umpisa pa lang.
That goes off the block. A little struggle pa rin ang nakikita natin para sa first ball nitong La Salle. Hindi nila madala ng diretsyo kay Giselle yung first ball. So that gives them lesser options para sa kanilang mga atake.
So far, hindi pa naman nakasimango si Giselle Samantana. There's a service error against Jolan. So finally, a point para sa La Salle Dasmariñas. At ito na si Giselle C. Up the serve. LTE Home Modelo, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Bad reception. There is Nunag. Getting that one down. Illegal blocker pa. Itinawag dito sa NU. May back row player.
Isa talaga pag may nakita parating ka, magigigil ka rin
Back-to-back points for the Lady Patriots. Giselle C. once again. Myla Pablo on the reception. Jolan. Tinawid sa kabila. Urdas cross-court. A miss. So 3 straight points for La Salle. And now Giselle C., former Far Eastern University setter. Another sharp one. Diolan, combination play para kay Myla Pablo. Napalakas. Force breakdown for De La Salle Dasmariñas.
A lucky break there for LaSalle, but it was a good play for NU because kung nakita nyo, nag-commit yung blockers.
Kay Jaja.
Walang natira kay Myla.
Oo. Giselle C. once again, very consistent sa kanyang serve. That time, lumiko pa yung kanyang serve. Pero, Delphine, nagulat na bumalik sa panig nila sa patuloy yung huli nakahawak.
Missed time there by Delphine.
16 years old.
Oh, laki future nitong batang.
Yes. O ito, 19 years old. Magsaserve ngayon. It's kind of hard to believe that we've been covering Jaja Santiago since she was 14.
Yeah, because she started really early na ma-expose dito sa ganitong klaseng level of tournament.
Hindi mo, 14 years old nandito na sa Shakey's
Eh, di kasi siya mukhang 14.
Right. Actually, I believe she was the youngest player to ever play sa Shakey's League. Ito, Cherry Rose Nunag on the serve. 6-5 NU. And a setting violation or a net violation? Yes.
Error against Jalan. Medyo malapit din kasi yung first ball.
So ito na yung labanan ni Dadang at saka ni Dindin sa harapan.
This is going to be interesting.
That's really interesting.
Dati opposite lang sila. Ngayon, magkatapat na eh.
Saka pinili talaga. Ayoko kay Jaja, kay Dindin ako. Here's Jolan going to Dindin. Nice dig there by the former libero. Yumi Yonko. Nunag cannot get it across.
Tapos ng konti. I mean, just a little more force probably it would have gone over.
So 7-6 is the only 6-footer para sa kupunan ng LaSalle Dasmariñas. Si Cherry Rose Nunag as Myla Pablo puts it in play. Nice sharp serve from Pablo. Maribeth Lara. Aiko Ordaz. Rica Diolan. Galing sa likod. Myla Pablo. Single block by Lara. Diolan ngayon. Papunta rito kay Jorel Singh. And is there a net violation again?
There is a net violation error against Lara.
So it is a 2-point lead for the Lady Bulldogs ating first technical timeout of set number 1. Magbabalik po kami. Ang airing schedules po ng ating Shakey's V-League right here on GMA News TV Saturday and Sunday live at 12:45 p.m. and of course Monday to Thursday at 1 p.m. as we send it now to the third member of our panel, Trisha Robredo.
Noel and Ivy, it is quite strange to see former Lady Bulldogs captain Shishi Dadang in a green and white uniform go up against her alma mater. Pero sabi nga ng dalawang kupunan, this is not about her and her former teammates, but about National U versus De La Salle Dasma. But of course, the Lady Patriots capitalized on the amount of inside info they could get para daw mas mapaghandaan ang laban ngayong araw. Now, they worked on their blockings and reception, but what was difficult for them to predict ay ang pagbalasa ng bola. Lady Bulldogs coach Edget Mabayad said that the very crucial difference and X factor for their squad is rookie starting setter Rica Jolan, who actually celebrates her birthday today. Now, aminado naman si Rica na siya'y nangangapa at kinakabahan pa, but also swore not to put to waste the opportunity and trust given to her. That's all for now, guys.
Well, thank you very much, Trisha, at happy birthday. Rica Jolan, so 17 na siya.
Papakain kaya siya mamaya.
Ay, kain na naman kaagad ang iniisip natin. Binabati muna natin yan. Samantala,
happy birthday.
Apat ang abante nitong kupunan ng NU. Make that 5 after that drop shot from Aiko Ordaz. So once again, it's great to see Ordaz back on the floor.
Same with Coach Roger.
Yes.
Parang we're used to seeing Coach Edget eh.
Well, if it's fun family tweets, it's gotta be Shakey's. Coach Roger Gorayev, sinabi niya kanina, makakabalik na daw sa inyo kasi wala na daw in contention ng San Sebastian. The team eliminated actually by LaSalle Dasmariñas. So parang may axe to grind din ito si Coach Roger ngayon. Ito yung tumanggal sa isang kupunan. Kailangan talunin natin sila. Samantala, now a 6-point lead for NU. Time up.
Si also, na pag nabigyan naman ng magandang bola yung kanyang mga spikers, nagre-respond naman.
Like this one, Shishi. Kaya lang na turn back that time by Aiko. Tinawid ulit ni Dadang. Yolan, quick set. Dindin tries to drop it in. Giselle C. Inangat. Lara off the block. And another whistle net violation. Jorel Singh.
Hindi naman niya kinuntes. Inamin naman niya.
Tumama daw yung kanyang uniforme sa net. So that timeout did well para dito sa Lady Patriots. Nakakuha sila ng puntos. Here's the 16-year-old Vaseline Delphine. As we thank our friends from Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Reception there by Pablo. Diolan on the back set. Aiko Ordaz. Turned back there by Yumi Yonko.
Good block from Yumi Yonko.
So a rare defensive stop on the block. Alam naman natin, dating magaling na libero.
Yeah.
Ito si Yumi Yonko. Now able to get the block point. Cutting it down to 4. So Basilin Delfin able to get the starting lineup, crack the starting lineup para dito kay Raymond Ramirez. And Diolan, again, sumandal sa net. Nakakarami na sa net violation itong National University. Napatayo na si Coach Roger Goraher. Parang ano ba ang sabihin na naman ni Coach Roger? Ano na sabihin niya? Ano ba nangyayari sa inyo?
At consecutive points already.
So 12-9. Daming libreng puntos na nakukuha rito ng Lasal Dasmariñas. What a great serve there by Delfin. And it turns out to be a service ace. Kakaroon tayo ng palitan. It will be a direct substitution for the setter, the veteran Ivy Perez. We'll see her first action. That's a 5'9" setter, 5'10" setter.
You can see the advantage yun of, being a tall setter. Kasi kahit na malapit yung first ball mo sa net or malapit na mag-over, kaya pa niyang abutin.
Right. Good read that time by Via General. Lumabas ang serve ni Delfin. So balik sa tatlo ang abante rito ng NU. First set. And the recovering ACL patient, Aiko Ordaz on the serve. Lara on the reception. Giselle C. Inangat. Yumi Yonko. Diretso sa net. And again, ang pinag-usapan natin at the top of the coverage, Yumi Yonko, kailangan first set pa lang gumagawa na. Mabuti na lang pumutok yung Lara against
Yeah, she actually played very well.
Right. Oh, another service ace this time from Aiko Ordaz. So ganun lang, didikit ito from down by 6, didikit sa tatlo. Kasi ito, aalago na naman ng NU.
And so again, it's usually, errors din itong Lasal Dasmariñas eh.
Another good one from Ordaz. Lara. Ordaz. Ivy Perez. Too near para dito kay Jorel Singh. Hinulog na lamang. Hindi daw nasagit yun ni Giselle C. So the National University will take a 6-point lead sa ating second technical timeout of set number 1. We will be right back. Bago po tayo magpatuloy, ito po ang ating GMA Public Affairs social media sites on Facebook and on Instagram. So good serve there coming from Ordaz. Ani mga battery rito na Lady Bulldogs. Singh able to turn that one back. Yumi Yonko nakabuelo, malakas na tira, sobrang lakas. No check ball. Now the biggest lead of the match para dito sa National University. 7 puntos. Binabati natin si Mark Torres who greeted us on Twitter all the way from Los Angeles, California. Nanonood sa atin ngayon. Binabati ka rin niya, Ivy. Dadang.
Talagang, good drop ball there from Dadang.
At talagang, yung mga iba talaga across the world nanonood sa atin on GMA News TV and of course ating live streaming na pinagpupuyatan.
Inaabangan talaga.
Inaabangan talaga. Especially ngayon, quarterfinals na. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League and a service ace for Maribeth Lara. Jorel Singh not having a good start today. Nakadalawang net violation na siya. Tapos, eto ngayon.
Reception.
Yeah. Let's see if the NU captain can get her bearing straight in just a bit. Running attack, Dindin, Santiago, Manabat.
That makes it to the line.
So again, kahit na anong depensang ilalagay dyan ni Shishi, malaki lang talaga.
Malaki lang siya talaga.
Let's take a look at this one. It's an ultra-fast spike brought to us by PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Actually, nawala nga si Dadang sa eksena. Si Yumi na yung tumao doon. So, 18-12. Dindin. Former best server. Almost getting an ace that time. Amutan. Inangat. Yonko with the free ball. Ivy Perez. On the attack ngayon. Jaja. Dindin. Galing sa likod. Hinulog. Ng gulat. And that will work. Myla Pablo not fast enough.
Quick thinking from Giselle C.
So 18-13 ang ating score. Still a 5-point lead for the National University. And here is the former Lady Bulldog captain in a different uniform. Dadang, good serve. Perez. Jaja again. At pansinin natin doon sa likuran, ha? Hindi pinalitan si Dindin ng NU. So General came in for someone else. So Dindin is in the back row. Magaling naman kasi rin sa defense.
Defense, that's right. It was Aiko Ordas now who's taking a rest.
As we have the serve coming from Jorel Singh. Lara C. Nunag against Santiago. Myla Pablo. Binuhay ni Delphine. Habol si Yonko at si Amutan. Yonko, may tatawid ba niya ito? Yes, she can. Perez, kabila. Myla Pablo, malakas. Wow!
Good save there from Amutan and Yonko.
Teamwork talaga nung dalawang magkakamping yon. And again, the floor defense of De La Salle, Dasmariñas, making a difference that time.
That's right. And we have to remember na Yonko also former libero.
Yes.
So, yung mga ganung habulan, sanay na sanay yan.
Oo. One of the most athletic players on the team. Itong kanilang kapitana, Yumi Yonko, now serving. Delayed quick. Amutan kept that alive, but Giselle C. hindi na naiangat. So kahit yung mga delayed miss-hit ni Jaja, good pa rin.
Good pa rin.
Time out again for La Salle Dasmariñas, down by 6.
Okay, huwag mo sabayan sa talon, madedelay, inilibabawan ka. Ang gawin mo, paunahin mo muna siyang tumalon bago ka tumalon. Harangin mo yung bola. Kung naman nakaharap yung balikat, doon lang naman papalo eh. Okay. Girls, dumipensa pa kayo sa loob. Tauhin mo lang yung spiker ng wicket. Dalawa lang naman.
Para makagawa kayo play.
Okay, Jerry. Habulin mo lang sa open. Ha? Tapatan mo lang kasi inibabawan eh. Ha? Go guys.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Now serving Ivy Perez.
You know, it's interesting to see also how the statistics are, no? Like, NU already has 9 points from attack. La Salle Dasmariñas only has 2. And La Salle was able to earn most of their points because of the unforced errors from NU. 9 unforced errors.
Aiko Ordas nakalusot ng isa. And for the first time sa ating laban, papasok sa National University itong si Roma Doromal to replace Aiko Ordas. So Doromal will now be the utility spiker para sa Lady Bulldogs. Serving once again, Ivy Perez. Yonko, C. Delphine, malakas.
Asking for a check ball, but there's none. You know, with the height of Jaja Santiago at the front, makakonfuse talaga yung mga attacker, and somebody as young as, of course, Basilin Delphine. Siyempre, pag nakakita siya eh.
Patamain mo na sa kamay. Ang haba naman talaga. Pero wise na rin to si Jaja eh. Good serve by Perez. C. Delphine out of position. Tinira pa rin. Doromal. Malakas. So 22-15. 3 puntos na lang kailangan dito ng National University para makuha itong ating first set. And Giselle C. trying to beat the Lady Patriots in this first set. Matalim na serve. Perez. Doromal. Kept alive there by Yonko. Back set ngayon. Lara. Cross court. Good.
Good set also there from Giselle C. Nawala sa pwesto yung dalawang blockers. Let's take a look at that set.
Ultra fast spike pa yan. Atid sa atin ng PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Lara with actually a quiet start today. Yeah. Naalala natin against St. Benil. Umpisa pa lang. Halos pa double figures na siya. And a service ace from Giselle C. Coach Roger, hindi pa rin talaga tatawag ng timeout, eh, no?
ganun siguro yung tiwala din niya
Pero-
sa kanya. Napapagano na siya.
Nakakamiss na si Coach
Oo.
Roger sa sidelines. Ano?
Animated rin kasi si
Right.
Coach Roger eh.
Galing likod, Dindin. Yun na. And this is a good strategy also na keeping Dindin there in the back.
Yeah. It's added offense as well eh.
Well, now let's take a look at that one more time. Dindin able to score that time. So 23-17 ang ating score. Giselle C. Inangat. Maribeth Lara into the net. Now 7 set points for NU. Once again, Jaja Santiago serving, and you can follow her on Volley Friends on Viber Public Chat. Using Viber, just click follow. Volley Friends, hanapin yan. Thanks to our friends, of course, from PLDT Home Ultera once again. And another good serve there from Jaja. Ayan, dadami Volley Friends niya after that one. National University, no problem taking set number 1, 25-17 kontra sa Lasal Dasmariñas. Pero alam naman po natin, dito sa Shakey's Village, you do need 3 sets
That's
to win a
right.
match. So titignan natin if they will get the second set when we return in just a bit. But first, our Shakey Shake and Play, the very sharp serve of our Volley friend, Jaja Santiago, giving set number 1 to the National University. Second set when we return. Dito lang po kayo sa GMA News TV. Against a team like the National University. So now, serving for NU to begin the second set, itong si Jorel Singh. Nice block there by Pablo. Oh, tinawid na lamang ni Nunag. Ito dapat si Nunag, bumarkada doon kay Michelle Segudine para matuto namang konting post-point celebrations.
Yung si Segudina, she's always doing for her swag inside
Yes,
the court, diba?
definitely.
Kasi nadadala na nga lang nun eh.
Minsan kahit error, may swag pa rin. 1-0 para sa Lasal Dasmariñas, and that down the line shot is good from Myla Pablo. So tied at 1 ngayon. Rica Diolan back in the lineup. So mukhang sinabi, panurin muna si Ate Ivy kung paano ginagawa. Amutan. C. Nunag. Oh, Nunag scores again. This time may halong hiya pa. Tall, the only 6-footer on the team. Panlaban mo against the 6'2" Dindin and the 6'6" Jaja.
So Delphine is sitting out now in the second set. Has
Right.
Galicia right to replace her.
Well, Galicia was actually the regular starter before they brought in Delphine. Let's take a look at this one more time. Ultra fast spike galing kay Jaja Santiago. Hatid sa atin ng PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family. And now Jaja serving. So 2-all ang ating score. Amutan. Sending that one to Dadang. Jaja. Yolan. Myla Pablo. Misses.
That goes outside.
Pero bukas yung down the line.
Yeah,
Good idea.
that's what she was aiming for actually.
So Lasal Dasmariñas with a better start. Nagsimula ang ating first set kanina, 4-0. 5-0 actually. And that one is given away, so tied at 3.
And I think for Lasal Dasmariñas, NU obviously has an advantage in terms of attack. Minimize lang nila yung errors nila para ma-offset lang yung lack of points from their attacks.
Well, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Shishi. Nanggulat. Sabi siguro Shishi, sino tong batang to? Hindi ko to kilala. Paluan ko nga.
Papakilala ako.
So Dadang gives the lead back to Lasal Dasmariñas. Para Galicia now to serve. Into the net. Usually consistent si Galicia sa kanyang serve, not that time.
Second service error for Lasal Dasmariñas here in the second set. Yung mga sayang na opportunity for Lasal, they're giving away 3 points here to NU.
Well, they're starting now itong NU with Jasmine Nabor as their utility spiker dito sa ating second set. Yonko, itinawid na lamang. Yolan, feeding Dindin. Good idea. 5-4 Lady Bulldogs. Nakuha na lang first lead here in this second set. It's so simple.
But, she makes it look very
Oh.
simple.
Wala rin blocker.
Oh.
5-4. Labor. Sing. Jolan. Sing. Drop shot.
Another net violation
That's her
error.
third one. Jorel Singh. Parang namamagnet siya ng net no? So now it is Shishi to serve. Tied at 5. Pablo. Jolan. Combination for Singh. Yes! Gigising na si Jorel ngayon.
Nabawi na sa kanyang net violation error.
And now Dindin Santiago Manabat. Try to extend this lead ng NU. Amutan. Inangat. Lara galing sa likod. Dindin. Binigay kay Jorel Singh ulit ni Jolan. And Singh with back-to-back points.
Goes off the hands of Giselle C. Again, ito na yung nagiging problem ng Lasal Dasmariñas. Yes, they're able to, naangat naman nila yung first ball, but the thing is, hindi nila maihatid yung Giselle C. So, that gives them lesser options ngayon para sa atake. Hindi na sila makapagbigay ng quick set.
This time, they might be able to get it done. But they go to Yumi. Si Yumi hindi na umingiti. Take a look at this one once again. Hindi rin nakahabol si Jaja that time.
It was a good set from Giselle C. Kasi hindi rin masyadong mataas yung differential.
Right.
So, a little faster than usual.
Pag set pa lang ni Jolan, alam mo na kung ano mangyayari. Jaja scores, NU up by 2. First technical timeout of the second set. We'll be right back. Ang international schedules po dito sa GMA News TV, available on gmanetwork.com/international/program guide as we give it now to Trisha Robredo.
Alam niyo guys, Coach Roger Gurriab and the Lady Bulldogs shared a very sentimental moment in the dugout before the game. Sabi daw kasi ni Coach Roger na miss niya raw ang dugout at sabi niya rin na pasensya na raw na kailangan niya mamahinga pansamantala bilang head coach ng kanyang mga anak-anakan. But in his words, he needed the break to start over again. Starting over again naman ang tema ng Lady Patriots sa second set matapos mag-underperform kanina. Coach Raymond particularly called them out for poor reception kaya raw nahirapan dumiskarte sa sets at atake. More importantly, Coach commented on their tentativeness saying that whatever they fear, it's all in their heads. Sabi nga ni Yumi Yonko, tayo ang underdogs pero mahirap talunin ang team na ayaw magpatalo. Guys?
Well, she's actually right, si Yumi. Pero they have to all do it as a team. Kailangan hindi lang si Yumi yung magsasabi na ayoko matalo, dapat sila lahat mag-buy-in dun sa idea na yon.
Exactly. Usually, yung attitude kasi, yung team na with the attitude, winning attitude, yung mahirap talunin.
Right. Jorel Singh serving at binabati po natin si isang Go NU. Nag-text pa dito, Go NU daw. Sabi na kanilang dating libero na si Jen Reyes.
Support is still there kahit na not here physically pero pinapanood pa rin.
Eh, manood ka na lang kaya ulit dito, Jen.
Oo nga, punta ka na lang dito, Jen.
Pa-text ka pa. PLDT Omaltera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Sharp serve is out para kay Jorel Singh. And you had more errors than Lasal Dasmariñas ng ating first set. most of them net violations.
Yeah, net violation errors.
So now serving, Giselle C. Sing. Jolan, galing sa likod, Nabor, naabangan that time ni Nunag. General, inangat, Myla Pablo, missing again.
She has been aiming for that down the line spot. Kitang-kita niya siguro na butas, walang depensa itong Lasal Dasmariñas.
So more errors naman ngayon para sa Pupunan ng National University. Only ahead by 2. See, another good one. General. Yolan. Myla Pablo. Nahanap na finally yung guhit. So 11-8. NU. Ultra fast spike. Galing kay Myla Pablo. Hatid sa atin ng PLDT Home Volterra. The ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Just a step late si Cindy Amutan that time. But Coach Raymond Ramirez is sticking with Amutan at least for the moment. See. Oh, Galicia. Nahanap ang kanto. And again, Galicia not that tall. Naalala ko dito yung dating player ng St. Benil. Naalala mo si Elsie Queimada?
Yes.
Very similar build. Similar
skill
skill set.
She's not also the tallest,
Right.
among the tallest, pero yung nakakaya siya, yung mga nakakreate siya ng mga ganong klaseng puntos.
Jorel Singh galing sa likod. That one is wide.
Good call from Giselle C.
Ito si Giselle C. Siguro kung hindi naging setter to, libero to. Ang galing bumasa ng mga ganong mga palo
Saka
ko lalabas.
mabilis din sa humabol ng mga bola eh.
11-10. Lunag trying to tie it up on her serve. Quick set, papunta rito kay Jaja. Kasi Lunag lang talaga makakablock sa kanya. Kailan nasa likuran naman siya. So now it is 12-10 in favor of NU. And again, how do you stop that?
So again, obviously, she has a height advantage. So mahihirapan talaga yung blockers. Kasi sinasabi natin pag gano'n, yung wag mo nang ambusyonin na mas tough block eh. You know, just the fact na mahawakan mo or masalo mo yung bola. Kaya very alert dapat ang yung floor defense.
Lara with an unforced error that time. 3 puntos ang abante rito ng Lady Bulldogs. And now Jaja Santiago. Serving once again. Sharp serve. C. Dadang nailusot kay Nabor.
And that's what we're seeing. No, once they have a good first ball, you know, Giselle C really has a lot of options para sa kanilang atake.
Sa pa sabi, naalala kita, kaya lang bata ka pa. Papaluwa kita. Nice serve by Lara. Looked like it was gonna be short. Free ball coming up from Singh. Amutan, inangat para dito kay Giselle C. Going to Maragalicia, goes long. So 14-11. Sayang yung mga ganung pagkakataon para sa Lasal Dasmariñas. Late na nga yung depensa sa net. Malakas pa yung palo. To take our friends from Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Myla Pablo, former best attacker of the league. Giselle C. Iyumi, malakas.
Too strong.
So 15-11 NU. Pablo continues to serve. Naalala ko yung huling game nila, nag-crash siya ka sa pwesto ng dito natin sa panel. Muntik na masagasaan si Seb Sarmenta that time.
Kaya na itong mga players natin, buwis-buhay yun just to
definitely.
make sure the ball stays alive.
Yumi Yonko, changing directions, binuhay ni Dindin, Nabor keeping it alive. Pablo gets it across, Amutan, C, kabila, Yonko, malakas, nasa ilalim ng bola. Hitting errors here and there for Lasal Dasmariñas has given a 5-point lead to the National University. Diyan lang po kayo, kami po yung magbabalik. Shakey's B-League updates available on GMA International. Just follow them on the following Facebook accounts at pinapakilala po natin ang ating Shakey's Face of the Game, si Maria Aina Celine Supan. She is 22 years old. Galing Angeles, Pampanga pa. Ako, mahal yun, tol.
Diyan lang pala.
Mahal yun, tol.
Tol, kaagad yung naisip
Oo,
mo.
syempre.
Di bali, may Shakey's naman siyang kakainin pa
Bibigay niya sa nagbabantay sa tol. Galicia on the attack. We resume the action here. 5-point lead for NU. Tinawid na lamang. Collision there between General and Manabat. Giselle C. Running attack. Shishi. Binuhay naman ni Myla Pablo. Yolan Singh. Lara. C. Back set. Papunta kay Galicia. Good defense on the floor para sa NU. Singh. Drop shot. Long rally. Bartolazo in as the libero and Yumi Yongkoy pinamigay. Nabor setting up din. Wala nang susuporta kay Shishi.
No coverage there for LaSalle Dasmariñas.
So bagong libero na ngayon. Ginamit na finally itong si Francis Bartolazo, who was one of the heroes in the match against St. Benilde. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Pablo. Si Dadang, hindi na itawid. Namamagana naman po ang kalamangan dito ng Lady Bulldogs. It is now a 7-point lead. Timeout, Raymond Ramirez.
Okay, guys. Dahan-dahanin natin yung ginagawa. Huwag na natin madaliin. Okay? Dahan-dahanin na natin. Malayo pa naman yung score. Okay? Kasi ba't pa ulit natin bago tayo matalo na ayos? Yung blockage natin, George. Please lang, pakitaigilin yung blockage, ha? Malayo pa yan, George. Kaya pa yan. Go. Focus sa katakaw, ha?
Ano mo?
Lahat na uhaw.
Hapa nung rally eh.
So everybody taking a water break right there. Yumi Yongko. Panaka-naka pa rin eh. Not the Yumi Yongko na alam natin na bigla na sumasabog somewhere along the first two sets. As Ivy Perez returns. And this looks like it's going to be a regular substitution pattern.
Right.
Coach Roger looking on as Myla Pablo continues to serve.
Oh, nice set from Giselle C.
Si Jarrell Singh could not stop that. So Galicia scores. Palitan ng tao para dito sa kumpunan ng LaSalle Dasmariñas. Micah Chanco seeing her first action as the new setter. At papasok din for the first time si Eunice Castillo. So sending in some of the youngsters. Itong si Micah Chanco rather, is 17 years old. Turning 18 in December. And then the 18-year-old Eunice Castillo also in for the first time. Net violation, Dadang.
3-point here for NU.
Palitan ng tao ulit para din sa National University. Uupo muna ang kanilang kapitana, Jarrell Singh, and coming in is Audrey Paran for the first time. Wala daw captain si Coach Roger. Sino bang captain? So si Myla Pablo na will be the new captain on the floor. So 19-12, Justine Nabor. Extended minutes dito sa ating second set. In lieu of Aiko Ordas. Chanco, Castillo, drop shot works. So Eunice Castillo will score her first point of the season dito sa kanyang drop shot.
She was actually a bit off sa kanyang timing, pero nevertheless, nagawan pa rin niya ang paraan with that drop hit.
Serve by Dadang. Perez, ihuhulog na lamang. Free ball ang ipamimigay dito ng LaSalle Dasmariñas. Eto na si Dindin. Good coverage that time by Nabor. Paran. Castillo. Nunag. And that one goes out.
Point
Good
goes
idea.
to LaSalle Dasmariñas.
Good idea by Nunag. Yan ang magkamatch. Kasi pagkadalos.
Pero tama naman talaga yung ganun strategy na kung alam mong nandun na sa tapat yung kamay ng blocker, huwag mong itiretso. Hahawiin mo talaga pa side.
Shishi Dadang now serving. Down by 5. Great serve. Paran. Wala sa pwesto. Lara. Chanco. Sending it to Yongko. Myla Pablo, Ivy Perez, Justine Nabor, galing sa likod. Habol si Nunag at si Nunag parang misstep pa siya. Papunta ron sa bola.
But actually, that was supposed to be the ball for the utility. So, dapat si Castillo ang kukuha.
Balik ulit sa 6 ang kalamangan dito ng National University. If it's fun. Time today, Roger Corayab will call a timeout.
Araw-araw tayo. Confidence yun yung important. Ikaw, gano'n ka din eh. Talong ka, baka ka nalulunod sa ere. Anong babawi? Hindi naman to away, nababawi, re-race back tayo eh. Laro yan eh. Araw-araw nagpa-practice eh. Kailangan yung confidence level niya. Mataas lagi. Ha? Parang takot kasi kayo eh.
Puro bata na ang pinasok eh.
I think that's the purpose of Coach Roger fitting in the young ones eh.
Take a look at this strange serve coming from Giselle C. Na biglang lumiko at nagulat na si Dindin.
Good floater from Giselle. Again, yun yung mga kagandahan ng mga floater
Yan na naman.
serves eh. Yung biglang magdidip.
And Nunag puts it away. Nangangamote si Dindin dyan sa reception na yan, ha?
Ang ganda kasi ng serve ni Giselle, talagang walang ka-spin-spin yung bola. And then all of a sudden, biglang magdidip.
And Giselle C will continue to serve to Dindin. This time it's a better reception. Pablo, yun na. May net violation pa na itawag kay Nunag. So 23-19, looks like NU can weather the storm. Depende na sa pag-serve dito ni Ivy Perez. Not a good reception. Lara, atake pa rin. Uy, biglang lakas ng palo. Dindin, tinulak. Galicia. C, combination. Lara. Walang tinamaang kamay. So 5 set points for the Lady Bulldogs. Coach Raymond Ramirez ginagawa na yung
next set na kanyang lineup.
Next set na lineup. Perez. Yonko, C, Nunag. Valdez in. Eliza, not Eliza, that's Gail Valdez. Here is C. Combination, walang tao sa likod ni Galicia. And that error will give NU set number 2. 25-19. So more problems pagdating sa communication para dito sa Lady Patriots. As we take a look at our shaky shake and play. Wala. Error.
Walang pumasok.
Third set when we return. Stay with us right here on GMA News TV.
The younger players. Nga, narinig natin doon sa timeout kanina, di ba? Yung sinasabi niya, yung pinupoint out niya, yung confidence.
Right.
And I think that's one of the pinaka-purpose rin ni Coach Roger. Gusto niya ma-build ng confidence yung kanyang mga anak-anakan.
Well, yung mga anak-anakan niya, ito na yung strongest lineup ni Coach Roger ngayon. On the floor, Ivy Perez still in there, pero bumalik na si Aiko Ordaz at saka si Jorel Singh. As NU scores the first point, coming from Myla Pablo, at si Coach Roger, may ka-joke na naman sa gilid. As Perez hits into the net. So Chanko continues to be the setter dito. Pinagpahinga na si Giselle C.
Baka nakikita na ni Coach Raymond na sumisibawat.
Oo. No, bibigyan nyo lang naman ng maganda first ball. Alam mo, easier said than done yun. Pero still, Giselle C needs a good first ball to be able to attack. And Myla Pablo does not need anything. Aatake lang at aatake yan.
Again, for players like Myla and the Tol Santiago sisters, kailangan talaga timing sa block.
Well, once again, serving Jaja Santiago. Follow her on Volley Friends on Viber chat using Viber. Just click follow. Mahaba-haba. Saan yung mahaba-habang pwede natin pag-usapan about the Volley Friends, which we will discuss in just a few moments. As makikita naman natin dito, Jerry Rose Nunag, unmolested. So yung mga Volley Friends on Viber, Marami-rami yan, guys. We have the sisters, Dindin and Jaja.
Yeah.
Diyan si Mika Reyes, si Rachel Andakis, Aragalang, Peter Torres, John Vic de Guzman, at marami pa. So, yan yung mga Valley friends that you can follow on Viber. Hanapin nyo lang po. Nunag with a good serve. Perez, tulak galing kay Dindin, hindi umubra. Maribeth Lara off the hands of Dindin. Ivy Perez, kabila, Aiko Urdas. Chanko, huli. At a double touch.
Well, crossing na net violation pa.
May double touch pa. Lahat na. So, 3-2 ang ating score. There's the very young new setter para sa ukuna ng Lasal Dasmariñas. Here's the veteran, Myla Pablo. Over reception from Bartolaso. At sabi ni Dindin, salamat. So, Myla Pablo once again, back to serve. Tinanggal na niya yung mga... Yung headband ba siya suot kanina? May tinanggal siya, may tinapon siya sa gilid eh. Sharp serve. Sanko lifts it up. Galicia, buti na lang kaliwete, pero kinulang pa rin. So 5-2. So Chanko again will learn. Saka maganda yan kasama niya si Giselle C, one of the best setters. Marami siya matututunan. Chanko lifting it up right now for Lara.
No coverage for the Lasal Dasmariñas.
So a little bit of a flat start now for the Lady Patriots. At lumamang na ng 4 ang Lady Bulldogs. Once again, Myla Pablo serving. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Bartolaso, Yonko, Lara gets the line. Again, panaka-naka lang po ito si Maribeth Lara today. Yan ang mahirap din if you're Raymond Ramirez. Pag hindi naging consistent ang opensa ni Yumi Yonko, kailangan mo ng ibang option.
Yeah.
And your second option should be Maribeth Lara, who's not really doing too well today. That attack goes out. Magiging puntos yan para sa Lady Patriots. So Lara serving. Perez running attack. Dindin. Uy, naiangat pa rin ni Bartolaso. Yonko. Uy, just getting that one across. Urdas. Hi. Sabay kabot ng ulo si Aiko.
Violation called up against Aiko Urdas.
Double touch, yep.
Sabay punas ng kamay.
Para hindi na maulit. Pinunas mo nga lang doon sa nipads. 6-5. Isa na lang ang abante rito ng NU. May tatabla ba yan ni Castillo, no? Perez. Sing off the hands of Castillo.
Again, poor coverage here on sa side ng Lasal Dasmariñas.
7-5 ang ating score. Ito si Micah Chanko, parati naman nakasimangot ngayon. Parang trying to get everybody involved. Yonko. Lara. Oh, alam si Dindin. Nandun na si Valdez sa likuran niya.
So just a 1-point lead now here for the Lady Bulldogs.
Hirap din na, no? Hindi mo alam kung sino nasa likod mo.
Kaya nga doon importante yung communication, saka yung naririnig mo yung may nagsasabi ng mind kung talagang balak mong kunin.
Dindin, turned back by Yumi Yonko.
Good block from Yumi Yonko. Yun yung sinasabi natin, and timing lang eh.
Yes.
All you need really is timing.
Tignan natin dito, again, may kataasan din naman ang lundag din ni Yonko. Able to get the block point. Tied at 7. Mara Galicia serving. Valdez. Perez. Sing. Coverage is there now for Galicia. Chanko sending it to Yumi. Hindi daw naitawid ni Yonko. And that will be 4 touches against Lasal Dasmariñas. Just a 1-point lead for the National University. Magbabalik po kami. Abangan nyo po bukas sa pagpapatuloy ng quarterfinal round itong ating Shakey's V-League Collegiate Conference. Labanan ng Far Eastern University against the College of St. Benilde. Naku, mukhang mahabang laban yan. Matatapat na naman yan kay Sebas. We send it out to Trisha Robredo.
Noel and Ivy, sabi sa akin ni Coach Raymond na parang pelikula daw ang naging kwento ng Lady Patriots sa liga na ito. Yung tipo magpapabugbog sa umpisa pero babawi at babangon naman pagdating sa huli. With how they started in the conference, hindi naman daw nila inaasahang makaabot pa ng quarters. But the unthinkable has happened for them at hindi naman daw imposibleng mangyari ulit ngayon. Ang nakitang problema ni Coach Raymond sa girls, aside from errors at timing sa blockings, ay ang pagkukulang sa pagkapit. Humahabol naman daw sana pero nabibitin at bumibitaw sa huli. Sa kampo naman ng Lady Bulldogs, Coach Roger expressed frustration over their errors. One mistake daw is forgivable pero kung paulit-ulit na ay nagiging habit ito. Kaya sabi niya, play smarter, be more mindful, and be more responsible. Guys?
At that time, there was another error. At sabi ni Jaja, sige, dadaanin na natin sa lakas to. So once again, Jaja Santiago scoring with an ultra-fast spike brought to us by PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Nakahabang naman yung Castillo, ang bilis lang talaga.
Bilis lang talaga.
So, NU with the lead once again. Jorel Singh, Bartolazo, Galicia, Yonko off the block. Nakikita ko si Aiko Urda still learning to use the lateral movements again.
Ano yan eh, yun yung mga parang, there's always this parang hesitation. And you had, hindi man sila masyadong na-challenge nun siguro.
Right. Lara, second ball. Sabi ni Galicia, ako na magsiset. Sabi ni Lara, paluin ko na to.
The aggressiveness of Lara pays off in that play.
Yan natin, makikita mo rito yung reaction ni... sabi ako na magsiset. Hindi na, ako na papaluin ko na. Pati yung nandito eh.
Bibigyan mo pa ng time pumwesto, hindi na, palo na. That sometimes actually helps eh.
Right.
Yung 1-2 play na yan. Kasi hindi na nakakapwesto yung kalaban, hindi pa nakakabalik sa kanilang tamang posisyon. Binalik mo na agad yung bola.
And Nunag serves it out. So tied at 12 ngayon. Ito na si Myla Pablo. Pag nagsiserve si Myla Pablo, lumalayo itong NU eh. Short serve. Chanko. Lara.
Oh, she overcooks the set. But kung yun, hindi outside point yun eh.
Oo.
Kasi walang tao eh, exactly.
So now, 13-12. PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps, monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Chanko nakangiti habang inangat para kay Mara Galicia. Ivy Perez. Jorel Singh itinawid. Yonko. Chanko. Galicia turned back there by Singh. Chanko once again going to Maribeth Lara, cross court, picked up there by General. Dindin turned back at the net. Long rally ongoing. Chanko, Castillo, Perez, Urdas. Going to Singh, kept alive by Bartolazo, played off the net by tatawid pa rin niya ni Chanko. Long rally continues. Perez, Dindin, Galicia, Yonko, General, Perez, Urdas. Binuhay pa rin ni Yonko. Chanko. Hindi natatapos tong rallying to. Perez, Dindin, finally! Hinaan sa pagka-veterano.
Smart move by Dindin. And I think, pag take-off pa lang, nakita na niya kung saan niya dadalhin eh. Alam na niya, nakatingin na siya dun eh.
Lahat talaga, but great floor defense for both
teams.
Definitely. And Bartolazo just a bit late that time.
It was, kung kanino man napunta yung puntos na yun, they deserve it.
Super.
Either way.
And from the longest point of the match to one of the shortest points of the match, service aces, sabi ko si Myla Pablo nasa likod, dun umaabante itong kupunan ng National University when she's serving. 3-point lead. Biggest in the set so far for NU. Castillo, walang kalaban kung hindi yung net. Yung net yung nag-block sa kanya. 16-12, Lady Bulldogs up by 4. Kami po magbabalik. Well, yan po mga kaibigan, Shakey's V-League updates on GMA International, the following Twitter and Instagram accounts. At nahanap na rin natin ang ating ultra fun family of the day. We have the Velasco family. Uy, Imus Cavite. Yan, si Richard, si Princess, si Nadine, si Jonalyn, at si Christian. Nakakuha pa sila ng front row seats bigla rito. Mga kabitenyo.
Of course. Talaga, yung mga mahihiligan sa sports, na sa volleyball.
Pero hindi nagtatabaan yung mga tao sa Cavite, ba't ganun?
Ganun talaga.
Ikaw, Cherry Rose Nunag, Tina Salak. Ano ba meron doon sa hangin nyo sa Cavite at
Hangin.
yung metabolism nyo napakataas.
Sobrang, hindi kasi sa traffic talaga na binabiyahe. Ewan ko lang kung tataba ka pa.
Galicia tries to stop the bleeding but she overcooks it again. So babalik na si Giselle C. Actually, Micah Chaco did a decent job, ha?
Yeah, I have to agree also.
Palitan ng tao. Marites Pablo seeing her first action of the game. Nakababatang kapatid ni Myla. So the Pablo sisters in together. So 18 to 12. If it's fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shaky. Si Myla kahapon pa nagsiserve. Galicia. Kept alive that time by Castillo. Lara dropping that in.
Minsan may kulam din tong mga tira ni Lara eh.
Placement shots niya na magaganda.
Hindi malakas yung mga palo niya, ha? Placing lang talaga, pero lagi niya nadadala sa tamang pwesto.
Ngayon, limangin na habol ng Lady Patriots. Service ace yan. Nadala na naman niya sa magandang pwesto. Maribeth Lara could actually be one of the leading scorers of the team already. 4 ang abante rito ng National University. Lara once again. General with a better reception. Perez to Dindin. Ilang taon na natin napapanood yan. So 1914. So from one Pablo to another. From Myla, now to Marites. Sharp serve. Parang si Myla rin na nag-serve, no? Yonko, General, Perez, Sing, lusot sa 2.
Point now goes to the Lady Bulldogs. They're up by 6.
At 5 puntos na lang kanilang kailangan. Samantala, palitan ng tao na naman para dito sa kupunan ng Lasal Dasmariñas. Galicia will sit down. And the first action of the day for Justine Navidad. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Marites Pablo. Sharp serve again.
Yun yata yung forte na itong magkapatid na to no?
Yung serve nila.
The sharp service nila
Well, the lead is 7. 4 na puntos na lang kailangan ng National University para makuha yung kanilang unang panalo sa ating quarter-final round. Marites once again. Lara. C. Inangat. Yonko. Pinamigay. Marites. Ivy again. So si Ivy Perez actually with lots of quality minutes para dito sa kupunan ng National University. Timeout na Saldas Mariñas.
Okay guys, basahin natin yung ginagawa ng kalaban. Hindi natin binabasa yung ginagawa ng kalaban. No? Yung may cover na yung bola, pauwi mo na. Frontliner yung setter, wala nang sasalita kung nasa harap na yung setter. Minimize errors lang guys, malayo pa naman yan, no? Iwasan natin mag-error.
So 22 to 14 ang ating score ngayon. Sino bang Santiago to tinutukoy mo?
Manabat na yung nasa
Manabat.
Jaja.
Manabat kasi yung 16. O, itong Jaja daw yan, Freddy. 22-14. Combination play. Iumi Yonko. So 22-15. Again, coming off a timeout. Magandang response para sa Lasal Dasmariñas. Although, malayo-layo pa yung kanilang hahabulin dito. Justine Navidad. On the serve. General, Perez, Sing. Ang lakas talaga ng palo nitong batang to.
Parang kanyon no? A lot of force.
Yeah, her father...
Tignan mo, mabigat yung braso sa kamay
As Doria checks back in for Jaja Santiago, her father was a basketball player. So may athletic genes din. Her father, of course, Mike Sing. So Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. 2 puntos na lang kailangan ng NU over reception. Doria could not put it away. Yonko. And she is able to score. Konting celebration na rin. So 23-16. Serving now Eunice Castillo, who has scored her first point of the season in this match. High serve, General. Perez. Myla Pablo. Check ball. Dumaan sa kamay ni Castillo.
That would have gone outside already.
Nag-alangan si Castillo kung ahabulin niya o hindi. Pablo looks like she hurt a finger after that one. So serving for the match with 8 match points, ang kanilang kapitan, Jorel Singh, into the net. So 7 match points pa rin para dito sa National University. And Yumi Yonko. To serve, si Ate Iya nag-CR yata nawala dun. Here is Perez. Drop shot does not work that time for Rosalyn Doria. Yonko'y tinawid. Pagkakataon sana para kay Nunag. Pablo! May lakad si Myla. At pwede na siyang magbihis para sa kanyang lakad. As the National University takes this match in straight sets, 25-17. Dito po sa ating third set. So a good start for the National University sa kanilang quarterfinal campaign. In the meantime, back to the drawing board naman para dito sa Lasal Dasmariñas. As we take a look at our Shakey's Shake and Play, Myla Pablo with the detonation to end it for the Lady Bulldogs. And again, marami ng options. And nice to see Coach Roger Goraya back on the bench.
Definitely. And yun na, naging maganda rin game to para sa Lady Bulldogs because a lot of the players were given a playing time opportunity to play.